Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at an introduction to nonlinear systems. So in grade 10 we covered linear system where we have two linear equations like that. And a nonlinear system, here we have a linear function and a parabola. And then here we have two parabolas. Okay, so these are examples of nonlinear systems. So example 1, is the given point a solution to the system? Right, a solution to the system is you plug it into the first equation and it's true, plug it into the second equation and it's true, and so that is a solution to the system. So here our x is 0, our y is 3. Plug that in, we do get 3 equals 3, no problem. Second here, we plug in x equals 0, y equals 3, and we also get no problem here, 3 equals 3. So therefore, 0, 3 is a solution to the system. Okay, B, 2, 3. So we plug in x equals 2 like that. Plug in y equals 3. We get 3 equals 3, no problem. We plug in x equals 2, y equals 3 here. We get 3 equals 3, no problem. Therefore, this is a solution to the system. C, 3, 4. We plug in x equals 3, y equals 4. We get 4 equals 4, no problem. Here we plug in y equals 4, x equals 3. We get 4 equals negative 5, which is not true. Therefore, this point is not a solution to the system. Okay, time for some practice. Is the given point a solution to the system? A and B. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So A, x equals 4, y equals 3, no problem. X equals 4, y equals 3, no problem like that. Therefore, it is a solution to the system. B, x equals 2, y equals 5, no problem. X equals 2, y equals 5, 5 equals 7, which is not true. Therefore, it is not a solution to the system. Okay, so in a linear system, a couple reminders here. No solutions, they're parallel. One solution, there's one intersection point. Infinite solutions, they are two same functions, like that. Okay, a linear equation and a parabola. So you can see here no solution. Here we have one solution, and here we have two solutions. So those are the different possibilities. Okay, and next we have two parabolas. Here we have no solution, one solution, two solutions, and infinitely many solutions if they're the same functions. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.